Hi friends, so in this video we'll discuss about DML statements in Snowflake. So suppose you have created some DML statement, okay, whether it's insert, update or delete. So with that statement, how many records has been impacted, okay, or what we can say that suppose whether that statement is successful or not, okay. So like while you are running any single query you can just go and check, but if you want to perform any modular programming with other blocks in Snowflake, okay, and you have to program or you print that thing or you have to capture those values, how you can check, okay. So for that thing what I have done, I have created one table, create table my values, and in that table what I have done, I have created only simple table, one column. Now so first let me try. So Snowflake has provided one keyword, we call it SQL row count. So what this SQL row count will do, this will print you not how all the record which has been inserted, but latest in the just above to that query, whatever DML statement has been performed, it will print you there's number of records. If you see here, I am writing three statements, but what it will print you, if you it will print only one. Why? Because just before this, whatever DML statement has been performed, and with that DML statement how many records has been inserted, it will print you that thing. Let me query this thing. You see it is printing only one, okay. Now so one more thing, in Snowflake, suppose you are performing an insert statement, so in place of doing this three line, writing these three lines, that statement you can write in a single line also, okay. The Snowflake will easily understand what like in how many columns are present there, okay. So let me run this thing. If you see, this single query is going to insert three records, three rows. So what it will print you, it will print you three, okay, three records, okay. So we have learned mainly two things here. First, how many records has been inserted, and in this way also you can write your query in Snowflake, okay. Now one more thing. So suppose if I'm updating the records, okay, in my table, so so what it will do, how many records has been updated if you want to capture. So in this way what it will print you, how or it will print all the records which has been updated with this statement. So how many records it has updated, it has updated six records, okay. Now so we discussed about SQL row count. Now, suppose if you want to check whether that statement has been successful or not. So what you can do here. So we have discussed about SQL row count. There is another statement we call it SQL found. Okay, it means if SQL found will tell you if that record is successful. So if you see here what we have done, again we have trying to update the values if that is successful. Okay, so if SQL found equal to true, then it will we are printing how many records. If SQL found is not true, okay, it means if that record is not successful, what will it will print you, it is not, if none of the records are updated, it will this SQL not found will print true, okay. So let me see how it get, what it is getting printed. Updated six rows, okay. So what this query it is updating six rows. Now let me id equal 90. So what will happen, this SQL not found condition is going to set be true, okay. Let me check, no rows are updated, okay. So these are the attributes which has been provided by Snowflake. With the help of these attributes we can capture whether my DML statement has been performed successfully or not, or whether how many records has been inserted by my last DML statements. So that's all from this video. Thank you.